What is up, guys? I am currently in Cancun and I am so freaking excited about this video that I'm about to film. I am here with some friends, and one of those friends is Chrissy Rasmussen, who does my hair. She colors it, styles it, whatever I need done, she's my girl. I've been wanting to make a hair tutorial video forever, but I am not good at hair at all. So if there's one person in the world that I would choose to collaborate on this video with, it would be Chrissy. We are gonna show you guys 5 fun, easy hairstyles. They're all pretty summery and beachy. Obviously, they can be done at any time of the year. And also, she just came out with these amazing hair gummies that taste like literal fruit snacks. They're so good. You're only supposed to eat 2 a day, but I literally want to eat the whole thing because they're so good. They are called Hair Hearts. They're the cutest little pink heart gummies. They're vegetarian, cruelty-free, and they have biotin in them to help your hair grow. So I am super excited for this. I hope you guys love it. If you have any other hair or beauty related questions or something you'd want to see on my channel, please comment that down below. I would love to hear it. But I hope you guys love this video, and let's get right into it.
concrete.